Do you know how to create a Vertigo Effect in Premiere Pro?
For this effect to work properly, your sequence should be set to 1920 by 1080 and your video clip should be 4K. This is because for the effect to work, we need the extra frame space inside our sequence. So here is my deflated soccer ball in an abandoned subway. Depending on if your clip is zooming in or out, it will change how you place the keyframes and scales. Since my ball is zooming in, we need to use the scale to zoom out. From the start of the video clip, set the scale to 100 and click the stopwatch icon to set a keyframe. Now click the position stopwatch icon and center your subject. This will create another keyframe. Now move the timeline slider to the end of the video clip and change the scale to 50 and reposition your frame so the black border disappears completely. Now you can make anyone dizzy with the vertical effect in your videos. Thanks for watching, guys.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.